What up, what up, what up? It's your boy, Double Up Custer, Mr. Double Up himself. Today, y'all, we're working on 1965, I believe, Ford 2600 tractor. I'm having a problem with it starting, which is the carburetor right here. It's absolutely no good. Been rebuilt, still the float and everything stuck in. So I went to go and order one of them. Do you know that carburetor right here? This carburetor right here is $700 on Amazon. Ridiculous. They got the same one, knockoff version, right here. Came in today, $67. Same one. Same exact one. That's ridiculous. I like buying, the original stuff. But if I could get it for cheaper than that, man, I'm going to do it. And it does the same thing, yeah. And a year warranty come with it. It's a no-brainer. But we're going to mess around and we're going to get to working on that. We're going to switch that out. Hopefully, she start up. I'm going to set y'all up over here, and I'll be right back. Hope everybody can see. So we're going to get this thing going. Switch it out. As y'all can tell, it is kind of a tight spot, but we're managing it. I heard it run one time, started up, shut right off. Took the carburetor out, tried to fix it. I thought it was the float. Thought the float might have had a leak in it. It's not the float. It's been sitting for almost like 10 years, when I got it. Bought it from somebody, but carburetor just done. And then shoot, as much as they want to rebuild it, heck man, if you can find one next to nothing, that's what I would recommend you do. Than to sit there and waste your darn money. Get somebody to rebuild it, and then half the time when you get somebody to rebuild it, it still ain't right. So then you got to take it back to them. So, like I said, $67, can't go wrong. Get this get that fuel pump, break that loose right fast. Make sure I got the gas off. Oh yeah, make sure you turn the gas off and you can see ain't no battery in it. We definitely don't want no spark, not mess around with no fuel. Nice. Got that loose. Let me see. Gotta pop that loose. Trying to hurry up before it get too dark on me. So I really don't want to have to break the light out. There we go. Hung up, y'all. She is getting hung up. There we go. Got her now. She out now, y'all. I've been dying to hear this thing run for a long time. You know? Most I think it had ran that one time when I got it started. I think it ran for probably about 3 minutes. I can hear the starter was catching up, so it was steadily engaging. So I had to shut it off. Mess with that a little bit. When you go turn it back on, she wouldn't even fire. I was like, man, what's going on? It's always something, you know. But you know, when they switch that gas over and put that ethanol in it, these old motors don't run on it. You gotta find your place that has that ethanol-free motor, that ethanol-free gas, and this older stuff. Put that in it. The ethanol, it ruined the seals on vehicles, man. The rest of the older vehicles, they ain't meant to run off of that stuff. I had a boat. Ethanol gas tore that boat up. Tore all the rings and the seals and stuff in the boat. That loose. Think about it. I don't know how I got that to come over. Better come off anyways. What you doing, kitty? We got a bunch of cats out here. Alley cats. I really don't bother them. Let me show you what I got going on. See the cat over there? Just ran past. I really don't worry about them, because they keep the goddamn field mice at a minimum, and they be killing the snakes out here. Probably underneath my truck over here. Let's see. But almost guarantee. Think he's living underneath the truck right there. That little getaway. I can guarantee he's underneath of there. He ain't disappeared that daggone fast. But I'm fine with it. He ain't bothering me not one bit. Long as he ain't scratching the car, I ain't bothering him. He can do what he want to do. But he starts scratching the car, he got to go. Got to run him off. Can't have that. Sorry about that. Hit the wrong button. Put y'all back where y'all's at. There we go. Back in business. Carburetor's off. Same exact crap, man. Same exact. Look at that. Same thing. Only thing is, this one's made in the United States. This one's made in China. This one's $700. This one's $67. What would you do? Come on now. I don't care if you got it to spend it. Ain't nobody trying to throw no money away. Y'all know that. Almost lost, y'all. Almost from camera down. It's a good catch on it. Get y'all over here. There we go. All right. Loosen up the stuff. That's gonna go in there. Loosen that up. So let's get this started today. It's awful tight. Awful tight. If you're new to the channel, I ask you guys to comment, like, and subscribe. It costs you nothing. If you have a YouTube page, if you comment, like, and subscribe to my page, I will comment, like, and subscribe to your page. I'm gonna take that and stick it on the side, because this one here, you can see, this one here is mounted on the side, but this is interchangeable. So you can move it to the right, left, to the center. It's already on the, if I'm holding it this way, it's going to be on the right-hand side. So that's the side that we're going to mount it to, is the right-hand side. So I'm gonna get a wrench to take that off. I'll be right back. Get a wrench, take this off. So I'm about to take the wrong one off. I don't need to take that one off. This is the one that need to come off. There we go. That one's definitely on there. I know y'all see that end, and y'all think that end is real big, but on the other side, it's real small. So there you go. So if y'all go look for that, and you're thinking that it's too big and it won't work, it will. And here's that part number, you guys. There you go. Just in case y'all looking that up. Like I said, you can find that on Amazon. Well, they put that in there. I'm about to get the wrench to get that off. All right, break this loose. screws out. That thing was really on there. At least I know it ain't gonna leak. It's got a little bit of anti-seize on it. That's what that is. That one has a gasket on it too as well. But you know what? Once I get that thing on there, I darn sure don't want to take it off. So I'm gonna put a little bit of anti-seize on this one as well. Pick that up. Some anti-seize on that first one as well too. Put that one back in there. One more turn on it. Put one more turn on it just for giggles. But you know how that is with that aluminum. You got to be careful because one little wrong move and you're screwed. You know, you are definitely screwed. I'm gonna put those I'll put them studs in the top and go from there. It even comes with the upper and lower gasket. Comes with the filter and two new studs. So I'm gonna put those in right now. Get those a little bumpity bump. The gasket on top. I believe all you need is one gasket, but I'm glad they gave me two. So see if we can get this thing mounted, see if we can get this thing started. I'll turn y'all back around over here. There we go. Get y'all so y'all can see. There we go. That's if it don't get dark on me. Yeah, y'all still in a good position. This is where you need a second set of hands sometimes. But where there's a will, there is a way. So sometimes, man, you get frustrated and stuff. You just gotta walk away from it. You mess around and tear something up, come back to it in an hour. You know, Sometimes it gets like that where you just get real frustrated. Just walk away, come back in an hour. That way you don't tear up nothing. So. There we go. Yeah. Only thing about it is, man, you know how they got that hard rubber on this tunnel? Sometimes it's hard to fight that thing in there, but we'll get it though. There we go. Got it in there. What to do, put that washer up there, put a bolt on there just to hold it in place, because I ain't got another set of hands over here. Just to hold it while I connect that filter back on. There we go. Running out of daylight, running out of daylight. Running out of daylight, y'all. I'm thinking I'm screwing it on. It ain't even lined up. Here we go with the BS. I had to loosen up that top one for just a second. See, this is where I talk about it can get frustrating sometimes just to walk away. I might just be walking away. Come back in an hour and fix it. So what's up? Well, if I walk away and come back in an hour, it'll be dark, so that means I would have to go get the floodlight. Loosen it up. I'll get it turned up. Here we go. Line up. It don't hurt. It don't help that I poked my finger the other day, my thumb finger. That's the finger that I'm putting the most pressure on. And every time I put pressure on it, man, it just reminds me of when I poke my finger, and it is definitely hurting today. See, that's the worst thing you could poke is an index finger or a thumb or anything, man. Because it hurts so dang on bad. Get that lined up now. Got this top one back up now. So I done got it. I think I'm gonna have to get a longer hose, but the good thing about that is I got hoses inside the garage, so that'll fit on there, so that really ain't that big of a deal. I just swap that out. No problem. Can use like I can use like a radiator hose to make that longer. But I don't think I'm gonna have to. But just I got plenty of room to slide that down, so that's probably what I'll do is just slide it down. Let me tighten up that filter down there at the bottom. Let me show y'all what I'm working with. This is what I'm working with right here, this little tight area. Everybody can see this. Right here. This is the filter right here, glass filter. There's a line right here that connects. So that's what I'm threading on. It's basically a thread line, so that's what I'm threading on, trying to get that to thread. But I gotta move this because it's a little short because the other one was a little bit longer. But I mean that's no big deal. That's all I got to do is just get a bigger hose like this. That's really not a big deal. I could use a radiator hose. Just cut it, because all that is for like air, you know, to make sure it's no vacuum leak in between there. So I mean that's all I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna put y'all back up here on this stand. Hopefully everybody can see it. Hopefully everybody's still tuning in. Thinking all I gotta do is stretch it, get it to move, and we're fine. Get these hoses off right fast. There you go. Turn it now, y'all. Tell you all you do is loosen it up. Got plenty of holes. There we go. Put this washer back on. Look at that, y'all. Plenty of room. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure y'all do that. What would y'all do different? If it was y'all, what would y'all do different? I'd probably be like, take it somewhere, man. Shit, they charge your arm, a leg, 2 knuckles, hot meal, car payment to get this crap fixed. You can do it yourself, do it yourself. It ain't like we're building a piano. Know what I mean? Slide that up. I mean, it's far enough on there, but I like it's a little bit further. You know? Put that little cap on there, backside. Throttle. Cooking with grease now. Going on. Either it's a 5/8 or a 15 mil. really do not like the way that is sitting. Go. Got it a little bit tighter. Alright. All we gotta do now is turn the key. I might have to go get a flashlight. It's getting dark on me. That's going to be about it for now, y'all, because it's getting dark on me. And I don't feel like going to get these floodlights. I've been working all day. Tomorrow is another day. Just like Rome, it wasn't built overnight, and this tractor ain't going to be running at night. That's all I got for now. But like I said, comment, like, and subscribe. It costs you absolutely nothing. See you on the next one. As y'all can see, I wind up coming back out here and messing with it. As y'all can see, turn it around. He's running, you know? He's definitely running. Like I said, it's a no-brainer. Get that carburetor off of Amazon. Don't pay no $700. That's all I got for now. Catch y'all on the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe.